Alright, as you can see, I'm doing another tutorial on the clone effect. So what you want to do first is you want to get the clip that you're gonna clone, and I was actually working on another project, so got a whole bunch of other stuff. What you just leave that right there. What you do now is you get the other clip, you get the clip again, you go to add mask. I'm gonna make the masking sloppy because I like to make the tutorials quick, but you have an understanding of everything that's going on with the tutorial. So I'm not gonna really try to make this too neat or anything. I'm gonna try to get it a little bit detailed. Alright, now that you have that masked, you can move it, but you see it's like in front of the background. So you can add like an effect to it. You go to clip the layer 3, copy the layer you just did. You can move that one now, but what you're gonna do most likely is you want to make it move. So center the layer, center it at the beginning, go over a few notches, bring it. You want to get a curve. You can use presets, but you can also use created graphs. That's scales. That is better, but you can use preset ones. You want to go back to this around the same area, go to center and get another graph. As you can see, both go out. Oh, I messed up a little bit right here, sorry. Alright, now you see it goes like that, but it's still in front. You can't see it doesn't come from like behind them, which you most likely want. So what you want to do to get it behind them is you want to copy again. You want to copy layer 2, and now as you can see, it goes behind them. And of course, when you do it, you want to have better masking, smoother masking, so that it just makes it look neater. But that's it for the tutorial, and drop suggestions down below on what I should do next, and thank you.